Hello and welcome back to Angular 2 Masterclass with Alejandro Rangel. In this section, we are going to talk about services. What is a service? A service is just a regular class in a singleton way, and the purpose of this class is to provide a specific functionality. So normally a service will have several methods and functions inside, all of them related to the same feature. For example, one service pretty common in most applications is the user service. The user service will handle the authentication, the registration of the user, get the current user, delete users, and so on. And this is the only reason of being of this particular class. So why do we need services? First of all, services focus on a specific set of functions of an area of the business logic of our product, and it should be reusable. It is a singleton, and then it can be used by many components, and the logic it's in a single point, in a single class. So the functions are not spread between different components and so on. Also, it's important to mention that services are totally independent from the views and from templates and from anything from the application related directly from what the user is looking. Services are just there to talk, for example, with the database or to make an API request for login, cache, and many other stuff, but never talk directly with the views. A service can consume other services. This is done through dependency injection. And also, a service can be used by many components using dependency injection. We will see this several times in this masterclass. So, again, this is what I explained before, and it should be clear that we should model our code thinking about services like a specific task or a specific set of tasks in our code. Let's take a look on an example. Here we have the user service that we were talking before. And as you can see, it's just a normal class. We are exporting this class, and it has a set of functions related with the user, like get user, add user, and delete user. Nothing else. That's it. So services should be pretty simple concept to understand. These are the related functions, and they can be used across the entire application. And from Angular 2, it's a good practice to import from Angular core library the injectable decorator, and then tell to our class that we are using the injectable. And with this, we are telling Angular, okay, this service can inject other services in the constructor. This is a nice way to use services inside other services and then to create a hierarchy. For example, if we have this user service, right, and this user service needs to be that it receives injected the login service, it could be passed through the constructor, and with this decorator, Angular will know that the values passed in the constructor should be injected by the framework. If not, if we don't use this injectable decorator, then Angular should not know that in the constructor these are other services, and then it will be expecting normal variables and it will fail.